Hey keto friends, are you looking for a super simple keto treat to satisfy those cravings? Well, you are in luck because today on All Day I Dream About Food, we're making easy keto peanut butter fudge. Seriously guys, this keto fudge is so easy to make that it literally takes me longer to set up for this video than it takes me to make this fudge. Now how's that for instant gratification? First, let's talk about the peanut butter because it wouldn't be peanut butter fudge without it. Now, I recommend finding a very smooth, creamy peanut butter, an all-natural one without added sugar. I have here the Kirkland brand from Costco. This one actually has a very thick layer of oil on top. So since you want this to set properly, you're going to want to pour off that extra oil before you make your fudge. Okay, let's get started. Take 1 cup of the peanut butter and place it in a pan set over low heat. You can also weigh out the peanut butter if you prefer, and a cup of peanut butter comes to 258 grams. Now you want to add half a cup or 1 stick of butter and melt everything together over low heat, whisking frequently until it's nice and smooth. Now add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and whisk that into the mixture as well. Now we can add some sweetener. You really do need a powdered sweetener for this recipe for consistency, and I am using 3/4 cup powdered swerve. You want to whisk it in until it's fully incorporated and smooth. Now whisk in 1/3 cup collagen protein. This helps give the fudge structure and allows it to set without using too much sweetener. But if you prefer not to use it, you can use another 1/4 cup to 1/3 cup powdered swerve. Once your mixture is ready, you need to prepare a loaf pan. This one happens to be 8 by 4 inches, but you can use a 9 by 5 as well. And you want to line it with either parchment paper or wax paper so that it has overhanging sides so you can remove the fudge easily. Pour the fudge mixture into your prepared pan. Now shake the pan gently side to side and back and forth to even out the mixture. And now comes the tough part, kids, waiting for your fudge to set. You need to get it into the fridge for at least an hour, or if you're impatient like me, you can stick it into the freezer to see if it'll firm up more quickly. And we're back, and our keto peanut butter fudge is ready. You can tell it's completely set if you touch the top and it doesn't even leave a fingerprint. So you're going to grab yourself a cutting board and a sharp knife, and you're just going to lift the whole thing out by the edges, and it comes out nice and clean. And you can just cut it into pieces. I like to cut it into about 15 pieces, each piece being a serving. But you know, honestly, you can cut it as big or as small as you like. And there we go, my friends. Super creamy, super rich, and super easy keto peanut butter fudge. I can't help myself, I've got to take a bite. Peanut butter lovers, rejoice, because this stuff is good. For this easy keto dessert recipe and so many more, please check out alldayidreamaboutfood.com.